this video we are going to learn how to find eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the matrix. Find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the matrix of order 3 by 3. Entries are 3, negative 4, 4. The second row entries 1, negative 2, 4. Third row entries 1, negative 1, 3. Solution to the problem. Let A be the matrix of order 3 by 3. The characteristic equation of the matrix A, determinant of A negative lambda I equals to 0, which implies that the determinant of 3 negative lambda, negative 4, 4, 1 negative 2 negative lambda 4, 1 negative 1 3 negative lambda that equals to 0. It gives a cubic equation in terms of lambda, that is lambda cube negative s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda negative s3 equals to 0, where s1 sum of principal diagonal elements of the matrix. Here 3, negative 2, 3 principal diagonal elements, so add them. 3 plus negative 2 plus 3, 6 negative 2 equals to 4. Coming to s2, sum of minus of diagonal elements of the matrix A. Here 3 negative 2 3 principal diagonal elements and their minus. The first minor, eliminating 3 containing row and corresponding column, we get the first minor, plus the second principal diagonal element negative 2, eliminate negative 2 containing row and corresponding column, we get second minor, plus the third principal diagonal element will be 3, eliminating 3 containing row and corresponding column, one can get third minor. And according to the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, one can get negative 6 plus 4 plus 9 negative 4 plus negative 6 plus 4, negative 6 plus 4 negative 2, 9 negative 4 5 plus negative 2, so 5 negative 4 equals to 1. So S3, the determinant of the matrix A, according to first row expansion of the matrix, 3 times of negative 6 plus 4, negative of negative plus 4 times of 3 negative 4 plus 4 times of negative 1 plus 2. Simplify it. First one is negative 6, second one negative 4, last one positive 4. Cancel negative 4 plus 4, we got negative 6. Therefore, the characteristic equation lambda cube negative 4 lambda square plus lambda negative of negative positive 6 equal to 0. It is a cubic equation. It has 3 roots. We choose integer factors of the constant term 6 for trial solution. We find one of the root lambda equals to negative 1. To find other roots, we perform synthetic division at this position. So let us take the coefficients of lambda cube, lambda square, lambda and constant. They are 1, negative 4, 1 and 6. Now we know already we have found that one of the root is negative 1. To get the quadratic equation, so we can assign 0 cos to the cubic term, that is 0, and add 1 and 0, we get 1, multiply negative 1 and positive 1, so the resultant value is negative 1, add negative 4 negative 1, that provides negative 5, again multiply negative 1 negative 5, that gives positive 5, place there. So 1 plus 5 became 6, again multiply negative 1 and 6, the resultant constant will be negative 6, place there, add these two terms, you can get 0 there. Other roots are obtained by lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 6 equal to 0. So according to theory of equations, we have two roots. They are lambda equal to 2 and 3. Therefore, the eigenvalues of the matrix are -1, 2 and 3. To find eigenvector of the matrix, let x, that is x1, x2, x3 be the eigenvector of the matrix corresponding to one of the eigenvalue lambda. Then a negative lambda I times of x equals to 0, which implies that 3 negative lambda negative 4 4, 1 negative 2 negative lambda 4, 1 negative 1 3 negative lambda x1 x2 x3 that equals to 0 vector. First equation will be 3 negative lambda x1 negative 4 x2 plus 4 x3 is equal to 0. Second equation will be x1 negative 2 negative lambda x2 plus 4 x3 equal to 0. Third equation x1 negative x2 plus 3 negative lambda x3 is equal to 0. System of equations denote with the equation number 1. Case 1, if lambda equals to -1, then equation number 1 became 4x1 negative 4x2 plus 4x3 is equal to 0. After simplification, the resultant equation will be x1 negative x2 plus x3 is equal to 0. Second equation will be x1 negative x2 plus 4x3 is equal to 0. And last equation will be x1 negative x2 plus 4x3 is equal to 0. So second and third equations are repeated. We need only two different equations. The different equations are x1 negative x2 plus x3 is equal to 0 and x1 negative x2 plus 4x3 is equal to 0. By rule of cross multiplication, we obtain, first we have to write the unknowns x1, x2, x3. Take x2 coefficient, x3 coefficient, x1 coefficient and x2 coefficient from first equation. Similarly, write x2 coefficient, x3 coefficient, x1 coefficient and x2 coefficient from last equation. By cross multiplication, x1 upon negative 4 plus 1 that equals to x2 upon 1 negative 4 that equals to x3 upon negative 1 positive 1. Simplify this ratio. X1 upon negative 3 equals to x2 upon negative 3 equals to x2 upon 0. All entries presented in the denominator are multiples of negative 3. Therefore, x1 upon 1 equals to x2 upon 1 equals to x3 upon 0. Let us choose x1 as 1, x2 1, x3 0. We obtain an eigenvector x1 as 1 1 0. Coming to another case, lambda equal to 2, then equation number 1 became, from equations and lambda is equal to 2, the first equation x1 negative 4x2 plus 4x3 is equal to 0. Second equation x1 negative 4x2 plus 4x3 is equal to 0 and x1 negative x2 plus x3 is equal to 0. The first two equations are same equations. We need only two different equations. Therefore, the different equations are x1 negative 4x2 plus 4x3 is equal to 0 and the last equation. By the rule of cross multiplication, we have to write three unknowns x1, x2, x3. Start with x2 coefficient, x3 coefficient, x1 coefficient, x2 coefficient from first equation. Similarly, start with x2 coefficient, x3 coefficient, x1 coefficient, and x2 coefficient from last equation. By cross multiplication, x1 upon negative 4 positive 4, that equals to x2 upon 4 negative 1, that equals to x3 upon negative 1 plus 4. So simplify them. X1 upon 0 equals to x2 upon 3, that equals to x3 upon 3. Here the denominator constants are multiples of 3. After simplification, x1 upon 0 equals to x2 upon 1 equals to x3 upon 1. Choosing x1 as 0, x2 1, x3 1, we obtain an eigenvector 0, 1, 1. Later we discuss if lambda is equal to 3, then the system of equation 1 became 0x1 negative 4x2 plus 4x3 equals to 0, which implies that 0x1 negative x2 plus x3 is equal to 0. Second equation will be x1 negative 5x2 plus 4x3 equal to 0. Last equation will be x1 negative x2 plus 0x3 is equal to 0. We need only two different equations. So first we have to write x1, x2, x3, 3 unknowns. We have considered the first two equations as two different equations. x2 coefficient, x3 coefficient, x1 coefficient and x2 coefficient from first equation, x2 coefficient, x3 coefficient, x1 coefficient, x2 coefficient from second equation. By cross multiplication, x1 upon negative 4 positive 5, that equals to x2 upon 1 negative 0, that equals to x3 upon 0 positive 1. After simplification, x1 upon 1, x2 upon 1, x3 upon 1. Let us choose x1 as 1, x2 1, x3 1. We get an eigenvector x3 as 1, 1, 1. So the eigenvalues of the matrix A are negative 1, 2 and 3. Hence the corresponding eigenvectors of the matrix are x1 1 1 0, x2 0 1 1 and finally the third eigenvector 1 1 1.